What if you could make money while you sleep? Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing your bank balance graving, though you didn't clock into a job yesterday. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. In 2025, passive income isn't just for millionaires, it's for anyone willing to start small and stay consistent. Today, I'll share 7 powerful passive income ideas for beginners that are perfect if you're in school, working a 9-to-5, or building a side hustle in your free time. Let's dive in. Number 1. Dividend stocks. Companies like Coca-Cola and Apple literally pay you a piece of their profits just for owning shares. With apps like Robinhood or Fidelity, you can start with as little as $50. It's not about getting rich overnight, it's about stacking steady cash flow over time. Number 2. High-interest savings and CDs. Boring, maybe, but safe, guaranteed returns matter. In 2025, interest rates in the US are still solid. Parking your money in high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit can give you passive growth while you sleep. Number 3. Print non-demand. Think t-shirts, mugs, or even notebooks with your designs. Platforms like Redbubble or Etsy handle the printing, shipping, and payments. Your job: upload designs once and collect royalties whenever people buy. Number 4. YouTube automation. No, you don't have to be on camera. You can create faceless channels with AI voiceovers, stock footage, and trending topics. Ad revenue and sponsorships turn into passive streams once videos start ranking. Number 5. Digital products. Ebooks, templates, online course, sell forever. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make this easy. The best part? You can turn your skills, whether it's budgeting, fitness, or design, to a product that sells 24/7. Number 6. Real estate crowdfunding. Don't have $200,000 for a house? No problem. Sites like Fundrise let you invest with just $100 and earn rental income and appreciation without dealing with tenants. It's like being a landlord without fixing toilets. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Share products you love, drop your links, and earn commissions. Whether it's Amazon, Shopify, or software tools, affiliate marketing can turn your recommendations into recurring income streams. Here's how you can start today. Pick one idea that excites you. Set aside just 1 hour this week to research and take your first step. Start small, reinvest your earnings, and build momentum. Remember, passive income isn't magic hits, a snowball effect. You start small, keep rolling, and eventually it grows into something massive. Now imagine this. Instead of stressing about bills every month, you've got money trickling in from multiple sources: stocks, digital products, maybe even that faceless YouTube channel. Suddenly, you've got options. Freedom, breathing room. Yes, it takes effort up front. Yes, it takes patience. But you've got this. 2025 could be the year you finally break free from relying on just one paycheck. If this video helped you, hit like, drop a comment with the passive income idea you're most excited about, and subscribe for more strategies to grow your wealth and mindset. Because financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter.